my babies. This is Mama Martin here with another episode of Love Always Me. Not me, you. Engaging in activities that nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Today, we're focusing on the 3 R's: reflect, recharge, and reconnect. These 3 practices are key to maintaining balance, reducing resistance, and living in alignment with our true selves. Reflect is the act of looking inward, taking time to understand where we've been and where we're going. It's about giving ourselves space to pause and acknowledge the lessons life has offered. For me, reflection is a vital part of my daily routine. It helps me see the progress I've made, the challenges I've overcome, and the growth that's still unfolding. When we take time to reflect, we honor our journey and gain insight into how we can move forward with love and purpose. Recharge is about restoring our energy, both physically and emotionally. Life can be very demanding. Sometimes we forget to take care of ourselves. I've learned that recharging is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether it's through quiet time, a walk in nature, or a good night's sleep. Recharging helps us show up as our best selves. When we're fully recharged, we have more to give to the people we love and the passions we pursue. Lastly, reconnect is the practice of strengthening our bond with ourselves, our loved ones, and the world around us. It's about returning to what matters most. During busy seasons of life, we can lose touch with the things that nourish our souls. For me, reconnecting means spending quality time with my family and engaging in activities that give me joy. It's through reconnection that we remind ourselves of the love and support that surrounds us. So, my babies, let's take time to reflect, recharge, and reconnect. These 3 R's will help us stay grounded, reduce resistance, and live with more clarity and peace. How do you take time to reflect and recharge during your busy day? Share your favorite ways to reflect, recharge, or reconnect in the comments below. Let's support each other and create moments of rest and renewal. Remember, our hearts, our minds, our souls desire peace. Your heart, your mind, your soul desires peace. Until next time, love always me, and that me is you.